Hi everybody. Now I will show to you guys how to do group and the component. In the drawing here, I already made two sets of room consist of living area and the dining area. One set of room consists of group and the component objects, while another one rooms all the objects are not in group or the components. So for the beginning, I will show to you guys how to make group or the component. First, we create a simple object in front here. Okay, so make it the object into 3D forms. Okay, and then select all of the object by multiple clicks, or you can make the square from the outside left to the right, not from the right to the left. It will select all object that cross the line. Okay, after you select the object, you right click and then go to make group or the component. There are some differences between group and the component. I will tell you later. Okay, group. If you want, if you don't want this group, just select the object, right click and explode. If you want to do a group or component again, just right click and then go to make group or the component. Okay, if you want to create a component, you must put any name to your component. For example, make it here, I put the name of box, and then you can put any description you want, and then you can do some adjustment to the setting here. When you finish, you click create. Or you also can use the icon. This icon you can get from the toolbar. If you open your SketchUp, the icon did not appear, just go to the view, select toolbar, and then select large tool set or principal, and then close. When you want to create this box as a component, select the object, and then you can see here. Okay, if there is no object selected, this symbol will not be appear. When you select this object, and then this icon automatically will be appear, and then you click to make the component. Then put name again, box. Okay, and then create. If there is a box, this message will inform you whether the name already been used or not. If you want to replace it, just click yes. So you can get here the component of the box. The reason why we make the component and the group are component and group easy to select. Okay, you can select only one click. Okay, and then they are easy to move. Okay, easy to move. Okay, comparing to the ungrouped object. Okay, you must, for example, this object, all of the component on the object in this room is not in group or the component. If you want to select, if you multiple click, all objects that touch each other will be selected. The other way to select is by making the box from the outside. Make sure this box only to the object that you want to select. if you make bulk more than object that you want to select, if you want to move it, okay, it will affect the other object. Okay, so same goes to this area. Okay, if you want to move the table, so you must make sure only this table been selected. Okay, now we are selecting not just the table, but we also select some components of the chair, so it will make your job more difficult. Okay, when you convert the drawing into group and the component, all the activity of editing will be easy. Okay, so now I will tell you the difference between group and the component. The group means you put all of the component into one set of group. Okay, if you want to edit it, okay, for example this table, okay, this table is one group. Okay, if you want to edit the table only, that group will be affected by uh, comparing to the component. Component is suitable for the object that are typical. For example, this chair. Okay, this chair, because we use this chair, 4 chairs in this interior, and I also use component for the single seater sofa here. Okay, and then for this sofa I can use whether the group or the component. If I make it this layout for the multi-level, for example this is the apartment, so I will change this object, this sofa, into the component. Okay, the good thing about the component is because if you want to edit, for example this chair, okay, if you want to edit the component, you must to click to that object multiple times until the surface and the line highlighted like this, which is many dots, and the all line outlines are blue. Okay, if you want to edit, for example you want to edit the color, okay, just select any surface that you want to change the color, select the color, and then all of the components which share the same properties will be changed. You also change the design. For example, the leg here, I want to make any design. Okay, maybe I want to make a hole here, one hole. Okay, as you can see, all the chair leg for this rear location will be affected. Okay, okay, if you want to undo to the original design, just Ctrl Z. So the design that you edit before will be disappear. You also can use the component to the building components, such as floor and the wall. So I show you some example. If I want to change this building, I want to copy this building to the multiple level. So let's say this is the apartment. Okay, make it 2x. Okay, 3 stories of apartment. So now you want to change the color of the sofa here. So make sure the editing must be, you must click the object to the editing mode. If you want to change anything, for example, you want to rescale with the condition like this, which is not in the condition mode, okay, it will only effect on that object, and other object which share the same component will nothing change that that happen. Okay, so now we want to change the sofa here, the cushion of the sofa. Then check and then select any color that you want. For example, you want to put this green. Okay, so as you can see, all of the sofa from the other floor also change their color. Okay, so as you can see here, I also made the component into the coffee table. Okay, so you want to change the coffee table here, you want to change the color or the designs, just put any color that you want, and then you can see, okay, all floor of the furniture, the color of the coffee table leg change into the new selected color. If you want to change the floor, just like any surface that you want to put the color. For example, we want to put tile here. Okay, put the tile here, not here. Put any tile, this tile. Okay, then we can do some editing here. Okay, you can see all of the floor also change. You can change the wall. Just go multiple click to the wall, select any surface that you want to change. Okay, select the material that you want, brick, for example. Now you can see all wall turn to the brick material. If the room is not in group or the component, as you can see, if you copy for the multiple stories here, 2x, and then if you want to change the sofa color, you must change okay, you can change, but you must color one by one, which is time consuming. Okay, so this is the reason why we need the component and group in our drawing. It makes our drawing more easier and fast. Also, if you want to make a group, okay, in this group, okay, in this set of the dining table, this is a group or set of dining table. But in this group also we have different component in one group. Okay, by doing like this, you can easily move this set of dining area to the other area. Okay, for example, you want to move to here. When come to the editing, just click to multiple time here, or you can select and then right click and then go to edit group. Okay, so there is still in the group. You want to edit, just select any furniture that you want, right click and edit group. So there is in the group there is many component. Okay, so you can edit the group. Edit, there is no edit group. I think this is not the group. This is the group, sorry. Okay, edit group. Make things easy, just click it many times until the editing mode is on. Okay, so you can do your group by like this. Okay, in one chair you make everything from the same object, or you can do like this. In one table it consists of different components and combined with through the grouping. Okay, this one, in one group there is the component of tabletop and the component of table legs, while this chair consists all of the component from chair to the sitting. Okay, this component consists only one components. Okay, and also the group and the component object easy to be deleted. Okay, unlike this ungroup object, okay, you must select from here, make it a box. Okay, and then can delete. Okay, if you select, if we make it more than your square is too big, then the box is capture another line, and if you want to delete, it also will be delete in other object area. So please get used with the group and the component. It will very helpful, make your drawing process very clean. Okay, I hope this tutorial will help all of you to do your drawing more efficient. Okay guys, thank you.